My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the browser hijacking extension called Searchsit. Not sure why it is called like that, but Searchsit as a browser hijacker changes the default search engine and other settings without the user's permission or approval. If this Searchsit was somehow installed into your computer, to your Google Chrome browser, it would change the default search engine without the user's approval. I recommend you to immediately undertake the measures and remove this hijacker. Access the menu, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then remove this junk extension from the list. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the site combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. So Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively identify and eliminate other threats which could still possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.